Merchant Words has weird data sometimes.
To be honest, I am not sure about the numbers you give.
The problem with Merchant Words is that they do not pull their information or their data from Amazon's website directly. They get it through Bing, Google, and different platforms.
I depend on good keyword data for selling metrics and advertising, and a lot of the time the keywords are wrong.
They seem really high compared to reality.
So many times, Merchant Words is suggesting words that people aren't actually searching for on Amazon.
Great idea, but poor data collection.
Is this a joke? You know, Merchant Words does have weird data sometimes, and the reason is we get our data directly from real Amazon shoppers, and quite frankly, sometimes Amazon shoppers shop for weird stuff. If you go to Merchant Words right now and search for fish oil, one of the search results will in fact be fish oil diffuser. Except if you think about it for a second, it's not fish oil diffuser, it's fish oil diffuser. It actually does exist. In fact, I went to Amazon and bought every single thing I could find. Fish oil diffuser. 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 Take your pick. You got a lot.
One for every room.
The reality is, billions of visits are coming into Amazon, so of course the numbers are going to be big. But here's the thing, because we focus directly on real Amazon shoppers, we purposefully stay away from advertising data. And the reason that is because who would you rather focus on? What advertisers are doing in Amazon or what real shoppers are doing in Amazon? We get our search information directly from Amazon, and from there we produce a search volume estimate. We do not get our data from any search engine, not Google, not Bing, never have, never will, period. Now, my favorite of all time. It's a little aquarium. It has little fishies. You can fill it up with water if you want, but you can also put some oil in there to diffuse it. Fish oil diffuser!